Google Drive tips and tricks. Google Drive is a versatile cloud storage and collaboration platform that offers a wide range of features and tricks to enhance your productivity and organization. In this article, we will explore some useful Google Drive tricks to help you make the most of this powerful tool. 1. Keyboard shortcuts. Google Drive offers several keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Some essential shortcuts include: create a new document, Shift+T. Create a new folder, Shift+F. Move between items, up, down arrow keys. Select multiple items, Shift+Click or Control+Click. Rename an item. Press N while an item is selected. Open the Details pane. Press D while an item is selected. 2. Offline access. You can access your Google Drive files even when you're offline. To enable offline access, go to Drive Settings and check the Offline option. This allows you to view and edit files in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides without an internet connection. 3. File organization. Google Drive provides various ways to organize your files effectively. You can create folders and subfolders to group related files, use color-coded labels to categorize items, and add stars to important files for quick access. 4. Advanced search. Google Drive's search feature is powerful and allows you to find files based on specific criteria. You can search by file type, owner, keyword, and more. Use operators like type, owner, before, and after to refine your search further. 5. Revision history. Google Drive automatically saves the revision history of your files, allowing you to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Right-click on a file, select Version History, and choose the version you want to restore. 6. Collaboration. Google Drive excels in collaboration. You can share files and folders with others, control their access permissions, and collaborate in real time on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Use the Share button to invite collaborators and set their editing or viewing rights. 7. File preview. Google Drive lets you preview files without downloading them. Clicking on a file opens a preview window where you can view documents, images, videos, and even listen to audio files. This saves time and helps you quickly identify the content you need. 8. Add-ons. Google Drive supports various add-ons that extend its functionality. For example, you can install add-ons like DocuSign to electronically sign documents, HelloFax to send and receive faxes, and LucidChart to create diagrams and flowcharts directly within Drive. 9. Third-party apps. Besides add-ons, Google Drive integrates with numerous third-party applications, allowing you to work seamlessly across different platforms. You can connect services like Slack, Trello, and Asana to enhance your productivity and streamline workflows. 10. File sharing notifications. To stay updated on file activities, enable email notifications for file sharing. Go to Drive Settings and check the option to receive email notifications when files or folders are shared with you or when comments are added. 11. Advanced image search. If you have a large collection of images in Google Drive, use the Image Search feature to find pictures based on their content. You can search for specific objects, colors, or even specific people's faces. 12. Voice typing. Google Docs, available within Google Drive, offers a built-in voice typing feature. You can dictate your text, and it will be transcribed into the document. Simply go to the Tools menu and select Voice Typing to start using this convenient feature. 13. Advanced sharing settings. When sharing files or folders, you can customize the access permissions in detail. Instead of just granting View or Edit access, you can specify whether the recipient can only view, comment, or edit the file. You can also set expiration dates for shared links, add password protection, and prevent recipients from downloading, printing, or copying the file. 14. Templates. Google Drive offers a wide range of templates for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Instead of starting from scratch, you can choose from professionally designed templates to jumpstart your project and save time. 15. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. If you have scanned documents or images with text, Google Drive's OCR feature can convert the text into editable format. Simply upload the file, right-click on it, and choose Open with, Google Docs. The text will be extracted and displayed in a Google Docs document. 16. Forms and surveys. Google Drive includes Google Forms, a tool for creating online surveys, questionnaires, and feedback forms. You can customize the questions, collect responses in a spreadsheet, and even set up automated notifications for new responses. 17. Embed files. You can embed Google Drive files, such as documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, directly into websites or blog posts. This allows visitors to view the content without leaving the web page. To embed a file, open it in Drive, click on the vertical ellipsis menu, and select Embed Item. 18. Offline editing. In addition to offline access, you can also enable offline editing for Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This feature allows you to make changes to your files offline, and the edits will automatically sync when you regain an internet connection. 19. Google Drive Add-ons Marketplace. Explore the Google Drive Add-ons Marketplace to discover a wide range of additional tools and features. From productivity extensions to language translation tools, the marketplace offers numerous options to enhance your Google Drive experience. 20. Convert files to different formats. Google Drive allows you to convert files from one format to another. For example, you can convert a Microsoft Word document to a Google Docs file or convert an image to a different format. Right-click on the file, select Open with, and choose the desired format. 21. Mobile apps. Google Drive has dedicated mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. These apps allow you to access and manage your files on the go, upload photos and videos directly from your device, and even scan documents using your device's camera. 22. Shared drives. If you collaborate with a team or work on projects collectively, consider using shared drives. Shared drives provide a central space where team members can store, organize, and collaborate on files. Unlike regular Google Drive folders, shared drives are owned by a team, ensuring continuity even if individual members leave. 23. Version control in Google Docs. When working on a Google Docs document with collaborators, you can enable suggesting mode instead of directly editing the text. This allows you to propose changes that others can accept or reject, ensuring a clear audit trail of revisions. 24. Advanced link sharing. When sharing a file, you can generate a shareable link with advanced settings. These settings include options to restrict access to specific users or domain names, set an expiration date, or disable download, print, and copy options. 25. File preview in Gmail. If you receive a Google Drive file as an attachment in Gmail, you can preview it without leaving your email. Click on the file to open the preview pane, where you can view, download, or save the file to your drive. These are just a few of the many tricks and features that Google Drive offers. By exploring these capabilities and experimenting with different settings, you can optimize your productivity and make the most of this powerful cloud storage and collaboration platform. Thanks for watching.